Welcome everyone. So yesterday I asked you to find the answers of question number 3. Question number 3 is having 3 parts. I hope that you you solved this question. So let us discuss the answers first. So first part is, which is the most reactive metal? So as 4 metal samples are listed in the table A, B, C and D. So the most reactive metal is B. Second part, what would you observe if B is added to a solution of copper second sulfate? Now if you look at the table, you can see that metal B, it is more reactive than iron, and that is why metal B is displacing iron from iron second sulfate. So if metal B is more reactive than iron, then it is sure that, or it is obvious that metal B is also more reactive than copper, because reactivity of copper is less than that of iron. So what would you observe? That means what sort of observation you will get if you will add metal B in the solution of copper second sulfate. So if metal B is more reactive than copper, then metal B will displace copper from it or from copper second sulfate. Third part is, arrange the metals A, B, C and D in the order of decreasing reactivity. So you are having these 4 metal samples which you have to arrange in the order of decreasing reactivity. The most reactive metal, we found that it is B. After B it is A. Then after A it is C. And then last one is, which is the least reactive among all 4, is D, because you can see that metal D, it is not able to show or not able to displace any of the metals iron, copper, zinc and silver. So that is why metal D is least reactive among these 4. Now question number 4 is, which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a reactive metal? Write the chemical reaction when iron reacts with dilute H2SO4. So we know that when metal reacts with acid, dilute acid, hydrogen gas releases. Write the chemical reaction when iron reacts with dilute H2SO4. So when iron reacts with dilute H2SO4, you will get iron sulfate FeSO4 and hydrogen gas will release. So for this also you will find that you are having one general chemical equation given in the topic of reaction of metals with dilute acid. So there you can check also, you will find that one general chemical equation given. So there if you are you just have to put any the given metal instead of metal which is given, and then acid which is H2SO4. So Fe plus H2SO4, you are going to get FeSO4 plus H2. Then last question is, what would you observe when zinc is added to a solution of iron second sulfate? Write the chemical reaction that takes place. Now if you will see the reactivity series, you will find that zinc is more reactive than iron. So if you are adding zinc in the solution, if you are adding zinc into the solution of iron second sulfate, you will find that zinc will displace iron and it will form zinc sulfate. And I think you also must be knowing about the color of the iron second sulfate FeSO4, that is a pale green in color. So when zinc will displace iron from iron second sulfate, then color of the solution will also change and it will change from pale green to colorless. Write the chemical reaction that takes place. So this reaction, it is a simple displacement reaction. So zinc plus FeSO4, these are the two reactants. When they will react, you will find ZnSO4 plus Fe. So on the basis of this reaction also, you can see that how zinc is displacing iron and how finally on the product side iron got displaced. So this is about the in-text questions. Now from tomorrow we will be discussing about the next chemical property. Thank you.